Looking to settle down the vibrant Minneapolis metro area? Safety is the main concern for you and your family. Let's explore the 5 best neighborhoods that strike a perfect balance between community charm and security. In a bustling city like Minneapolis, finding a safe haven can be challenging. However, don't worry, I have the solution for that today. I have done some research to identify top 5 neighborhoods that prioritize safety without compromising on the city-rich offerings. These neighborhoods are known for their low crime rates, strong community bonds, and amenities that cater to all of your needs. These neighborhoods are 1. Lindell Hills, 2. North Loop, 3. Southwest Minneapolis, 4. McClester Groveland, and Wayzata. So